Hi there, I am FileBankInc's Chief of Staff. Together with our Crackerjack team, we'll solve all your past, present, and future document needs. Not only will I save you lots of money, I promise scalability, security, enormous increases in efficiency, and best of all, no more paper chasing. Now, our presenter will show you our best solutions.
Hello, my name is Kim Cregan, and as sales executive for FileBank, I hear the struggles that many face in organizing and retrieving important documents. We here at FileBank understand these frustrations, and we have developed a solution to simplify your records management process. Our Jump to Digital program is powered by a heavy-duty electronic content management system allowing for the ultimate in security. This program consists of a high-speed scanner pre-configured for any department's document type, and a user can take a week's worth of documents and scan them into the system in just minutes with one push of a button. The scanner indexes documents automatically, allowing the user to find their digitized files in seconds, along with any other relative documents the user chooses to drag and drop into the system. This system is invaluable not only to schools and municipalities, but really to any business that generates paper. But what about the physical, you say? Well, we have a solution for that too. After you scan your documents, we provide you with a banker box that you can put your physical paper into, send it off to FileBank, and we store the physical. Now, both your digital files and your physical files are safe, secure, and easily retrievable. At $99 a month, this is money well spent.